Hey everyone, I know you are really excited to get your hands on a new Windows 11 computer, but there are many important initial steps you need to follow to set up your new computer that comes with Windows 11. But don't worry, I will show you all the steps you need to follow to set up your desktop or laptop correctly. I will make sure not to skip any important steps so that you face no issues setting up your new Windows 11 computer. I just turned on the laptop. I'm setting up a HP laptop today. However, the following steps that I'll be showing you will work on any brand of desktops or laptops like Dell, Acer or any other brands. Right now it is just going through some initial setup process. Alright, we are on the main setup screen. First thing you need to do is select your country. Once you find your country, highlight it and click yes. I'm in the USA, so I'm going to hit yes now. Next, we need to select our keyboard layout. If you are using non-English keyboard, you may want to select now and hit yes once you're done. I'm just going to skip the additional keyboard layout, so I'm going to click on skip. Next, we need to connect to the internet. If you are on a desktop and you already have an Ethernet cable connected, sometimes people call it internet cable, it should automatically connect you to the internet. If you are on a laptop and have Wi-Fi, you will have to select your network and put a checkmark connect automatically and click on connect. You need to enter your Wi-Fi password and click on next. If you don't have internet at your home at all, you can click here that says I don't have internet. If you see a disconnect button here, that means you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Click on next. Now that you are connected to the internet, Windows will check for any important updates available for your computer. Sometimes this process can take a long time depending on your speed and the amount of updates available. Please make sure do not turn it off no matter how long it takes. If you turn it off in the middle of it, you may damage Windows and it will not boot up. I'm going to fast forward here. You can name your laptop or desktop. Give it any meaningful name like study room, living room, anything you like. I'm going to type in home and click on next. It is now going through some process. It may reboot at this moment, so be patient. Now you need to log into your Microsoft account. If you used your Microsoft account for your previous computer, you can use here, or you can use any Microsoft account you have. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can just create one by clicking here. I have an account, so I am going to enter my email address here. Click on next. Entering my password now. Click on sign in. Now it is configuring your Microsoft account for this computer. If your laptop has a camera or if your desktop has a webcam, you are able to set up a face detection ID so that you can log into your computer by just looking at your camera. I don't need to do that, so I'm going to skip. If your laptop comes with a fingerprint reader, you can go ahead and set it up now, or you can do it later once your computer is fully booted. I'm going to set up a pin here. In case my fingerprint reader and my face detection doesn't work, I can use the pin to log into my computer. Go ahead and come up with a new pin number and type in twice in both fields and click on OK. It looks like it found my account. Now it is asking me if I want to register from my previous computer or if I want to set up as a new device. I'm going to set up as a new device and click on next. Now we need to do our privacy settings. I'm very strict about my privacy, so I'm going to turn off everything, but if you prefer, you can keep them on. Click on accept when you're done. If you want to customize your laptop or desktop for certain type of work, you can go ahead and check as many boxes you want and click on accept. I'm going to skip for now. Now it is asking me if I want to back up my files with OneDrive. If you don't know, OneDrive is a cloud-based storage that is saved on the internet, but I prefer saving files on my local hard drive. So I'm going to select the second option and click on next. Now it is offering me the trial version of Microsoft Office. I have full version and I have license, so I'm going to click on no thanks. Now it is checking for updates once again. Now it is asking me to register my laptop with HP. This is from HP, not from Microsoft or Windows. So if you have a Dell or Acer or any other brand, this may look little different, but it will be similar. If you want to register, enter all your information, then click on next. Next, select the options you need and click on next. Now it is going through some more process. It will take a few minutes. I'm going to fast forward so it doesn't get too long. Again, please do not turn off your computer even if it takes too long. There you go, we are on the desktop and your computer is ready to use. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you in the next video.